Happy Halloween, y'all!
Six Guys Slawburger pop-up, Leroy and Lewis, Halloween 2020. Slawburgers, Slawburgers, Slawburgers.
Slawburgers, 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 Slawburgers.
Happy Talloween!
Happy Talloween, baby!
Happy Talloween!
Happy Talloween!
Happy Talloween!
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
We're doing Slawburgers, we're doing tallow fried crinkle cut french fries, and fried apple pies a la mode.
Six Guys. What's the simplest way to make a burger? Just throw all the toppings on at once. There was a conversation that Brad Robinson and I were having one night about slaw on a sandwich. We said, can you put slaw on a burger? He said no, and then we said, well, maybe. Mayo, mustard, ketchup, classic burger toppings. Just makes sense. Cut up some cabbage, threw together a little pickle and onion, mixed it, threw it on a grilled cheeseburger, toasted bun. We said, let's share this with the people. It's the fastest fast food burger. We're serving tallow fried, crinkle cut French fries. Are the highest fry on the hierarchy, the fryarchy. Crink daddies. Apple pies, ice cream, little Halloween candy on top.
Hiya, Georgie! You know, when that lady comes out of the painting? I don't know, Tim Curry had a better voice for it, I think.
Let's put a smile on that face.
So I watched Disturbia so many times that I was not scared of anything. It was a terrible movie with Rihanna and Shia LaBeouf.
Obviously Halloween Grinch Night, and then I have to go with the absolute classic of Monster Mash.
Monster Mash sucks. I don't even know any other Halloween song.
Halloween, gotta be. Michael Myers.
The best Halloween movie is probably going to be Halloween at this point. Or Scream.
Hocus Pocus.
Have you ever been to the like Texas Chainsaw? Like there's like a barbecue place that's out there where they film Texas Chainsaw. Have you ever been there?
Louis Miller, right? Did I get it right?
Slanging cheeseburgers on Halloween during a freaking butthole moon.
Who's scarier, Nate? Jason Voorhees or Freddy Krueger?
Brad, Chud's Barbecue.
A couple years back, me and my girlfriend dressed up as Maui and Moana. I, of course, was the leading role of Moana, and we just handed out candy, and I sang I Am Moana to the children, and they all screamed and hated it. So it was a perfect trick and treat.
Happy Halloween, everybody.